YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today it's me, Ella, and today we are doing part 3 of the pool mini game. So today I am last with Alex the Great and that girl over there, and I am surviving. I don't know how, but Blue just dropped, and we are okay. So now we need to start moving a little bit more than we should be. But yeah. So by the way, if I keep getting sniffles, so in part 1 and 2 that I had sniffles, I wasn't feeling very well, and I still don't, but I have doing part 3 on the same day, but we are doing okay. I get the first, yay. So me and Alex for some reason keep scoring each other. I don't know what's wrong with them, but whatever. I don't know which one's gonna fall. Oh, it must have been yellow because I didn't see yellow. But I'm going back to red. Okay, so the other girl is called Flexibly, and let's see which one drops. They dropped. Okay, so we've got 17 seconds left, and we are still some reason lasting. I don't. It's just me and this Flexibly girl. Yay! Yay! So we won. Yay! Okay, no thanks. If you can't see that, you don't really need that I'm here. So this is my first time winning this. I got me too. Infection. By the way, I am wrecked. So basically I got me and her winning on camera. I'm actually really excited. So me and you just won during our recording video. So that must have helped, even though you did not know. So me and you just won during a recording video, so that must have helped, even though you did not know well. By the way, congrats. By the way, congrats. So YouTube, I am going to add her. So YouTube, I'm going to add Flex. By the way, I'm going to add Flex, and then no. Thanks. Oh my god, that's right. Okay, YouTube. So let's add her. Okay, Flex. Let's try and find Flex. Guys, sorry if I'm shouting. It's just that I can't hear myself, and I'm trying to keep it down a little because my little brother is asleep next door, and I can't really hear myself. So I'm sorry if I'm loud. This one. I'll accept when I leave. Okay, guys, I'm not even joking. I literally won this one earlier. Like, I won this one 3 times earlier. It's called Rage Table Rampage. Rage Table Rampage. Find tables with other people and try and shoot them in a straight line to kill them. Okay, so... Okay, so I mean, I just did it. I don't know how. Guys, I hate guys, I hate second. Don't know if you saw, but I got 11 people. Oh, Flex, thanks. Thank you, Flex. Oh my god, Flex is the best. I literally. Will you join my group if I send you one? Will you join my group if I send you one? Will you join my group if I send you one? Will you join my group if I send you one? I'm only one of that kind. Will you join I have a group. Oh, okay. Never mind. Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay. You're like, I'm a good girl. Like, so like, that slow. Like, it's not even working. Like, I'm so flexible that my lungs ain't working. Sorry. And hey. No, that's not. No, it's so easy to like score when it first like lands, cause like yeah, it just is. It just is. No, you scored. Yeah. No. It looks like an ice ring. Did you know when ice is here, we can all break in? Don't score an iron goal, I swear to God. I'm in writing. No. I actually scored twice. On a main goal before, and I'll put one in the goal that I was supposed to hit it in. Tie. Alvingo. Yes. Oh, yes. Got my sunshine in my pocket. My baby, love yourself. Stop in the night. GG, girl. GG, girl. Well done. Thanks, your turn. My pleasure. My pleasure. Oh my god, guys, I'm not even joking. I am absolutely loving this one. By the way, I'm sorry, this round will have to be before I end the video. It's just, I don't know. I'm so sorry if I don't get to say bye. It's just that it's in 1 minute and 10 seconds the video will end. So I'm sorry if I don't get to say bye. And I'm halfway through a round. It's just that I can't have a look at the time while I'm trying to play. I'm sorry. It's just sorry. It's just something that I can't really control unless I buy the monthly one, and that's quite expensive. And I can't really do it till like another day. And I've got 30 seconds left, so I'm sorry if I don't get to say bye. I'll have to say bye during the round. If I don't, then I'm sorry. I've only got 20 seconds till it ends, and yes. And I've got 5 seconds in a minute. I've got 8 seconds. 5 now. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down